your time, value your time. बोलते तो ये सब है पर सिखाता कोई नहीं है. But don't worry guys, I am here to make you learn how you can actually save your time, value your time by speaking English and some powerful English. Hello everyone, my name is Rashika, your trainer for today, and you are watching NIEL, the best place to learn fluent English and develop confidence. Today we will learn some shortened words which you can actually use in your day-to-day English. But now question comes, what are shortened words? होते क्या है ये shortened words? Shortened words are abbreviations and contractions. Shortened words are abbreviations and contractions. Now question comes, what is abbreviations and what are contractions? So these are two different words and with different meanings. Abbreviations होते हैं जब बड़े word को हम कुछ initials लेके word बना देते हैं. For example DOB. But contractions होते हैं जब हम बड़े words को कुछ words उनमें से एक आध letter हटा देते हैं और उसको एक नया word form कर देते हैं. For example, isn't, is not, wasn't, was not, इस तरीके से. So these are contractions and DOB sort of words are called abbreviations. Now let us learn 10 different shortened words. The first word comes DOB. अब इसका मतलब क्या होता है? DOB means date of birth. For example, she opened the file to check the first name and DOB. The second word is DND. DND क्या होता है ये तो सबको पता होगा, मुझे पता है. But still DND means do not disturb. अक्सर हम लोग रखते हैं ना फ़ोन अपना DND मोड पे. So for example, he always keeps his phone on DND mode. PIN. कुछ आ रहा है दिमाग में? No? Let me tell you. Personal identification number. Personal identification number. I know आप लोग यूज़ बहुत करते होगे, पिन दे दो, फ़ोन नहीं खुल रहा, पिन नहीं याद मुझे, बट एक्चुअली में इसका मतलब क्या होता है? सो इट इज़ पर्सनल आइडेंटिफिकेशन नंबर. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, I forgot my PIN to unlock my phone. ASAP. ये भी बहुत यूज़ करते होगे आप, बट एक्चुअली में मीनिंग क्या होता है इसका? As soon as possible, जितनी जल्दी हो सके. हम कहते हैं ना अर्जेंट वर्क के लिए ASAP. I want this work ASAP. So it means as soon as possible. For example, could you please return that signed agreement ASAP? That means as soon as possible. The next comes FYI. What does it mean? It means for your information. Actually, this abbreviation is used in emails. Most of the time it is used in formal messages in emails. For your information. For example, for your information, I wanted to let you know that I am taking a vacation last week. The next comes abs. That means abdominals. Gym वालों को ही पता होगा. What is abs? He is showing off his abs. Intro. What does it mean? Introduction. Introduction. For example, I would like to have your intro. When you are asking someone कि मुझे आपके बारे में जानना है, what will you say? I want to have your introduction. Instead, say this. I want to have your intro. Doc. What is doc? I said doc, not dog. So what is doc? Document. For example, he shared a doc file to check his writings. The next is fab. Fab means fabulous. For example, she is doing fab in her career. Admin. Admin means administration. For example, she is working in admin. So do share, like and comment on my video and stay tuned for more such videos.